In this video, I'm going to talk about optimal budget deficit, and this is an extension to the Barro's tax moving model that I've described. So, from the first government budget constraint, relying all the assumptions I have already made, that is B0 is 0, sigma is 0, and also here, what else? Yeah, G I equals 0, B2 is 0, and now we can see that the government budget constraint 1 is this easier version. Okay, and now we, from the definition of the budget deficit, we substitute B1 inside from the constraint that we've just got, and then we substitute the optimal tax into tau bar. Now, if G1C is equal to the permanent level and Y1 is equal to the permanent level, we have that D1 is equal to GI1. Okay, if we don't make this assumption and we define the debt to income ratio as small d1, we get this expression here. So now we can consider an example. Due to COVID-19, from this equation on the optimal tax, what has happened? So we know that G has fallen because G has increased substantially following the pandemic. And also look at Y here. Y has also fallen. So both increases the optimal taxation the government should collect. And okay, for the optimal budget deficit, what has happened here is that G1C is definitely above its permanent level and Y1 is definitely below its permanent level. So the government should collect more tax. Okay, so in these two videos about Barro's tax moving model, the most important things to take away are the golden rule of public finance, and if we have this condition, then government investment drop out of the budget constraint, and so we now know that our policy to borrow to invest is okay, and following the government's loss minimization problem, we have derived the optimal tax rate, and we have demonstrated that tax moving happens when the government's discount rate is equal to its interest rate it pays on the debt. Okay, now the optimal budget deficit is either equal to the government spending, which means the government finance all its spending with D1. Otherwise, without the restricting assumption of the level of government spending consumption, sorry, and also income is equal to their permanent values, we get that D1 has this relationship, and we can analyze it with regards to an increase or decrease in Y and I. Yeah, that's it.